He thinks he's so cute. He thinks he can just be so comfy right here in the middle of everything. Ta-da! I ordered a bunch of BJD blind boxes from KikaGoods a little while ago. What do we have? We've got a Bonnie. We've got a Penny's box, Little Painter and Little Witch. We've got a Penny's box ADOU. We've got Summer Island Liroro. And then a sea doll, Teennar. Let's start with Bonnie. I like Bonnie. I've got another Bonnie already, but Bonnie's very cute. These are, yeah, instead of ordering a bunch from one line, I ordered 5 different ones so I could have a variety. So I'm pretty familiar with what these are already. So they all come with a card, like a lot of the other blind boxes, which tells you which one you get before you open it, essentially. And we've got a flyer that has instructions. We got little ears and extra hands. She's got such big feet. Ears? Where does her ears go? Well, we've got to put her little dress on at the very least. So it's got like the tiniest little waist. There she is. Adorable. If you're unfamiliar with these kind of figures, I'm pretty sure they're vinyl and not resin. These are all elastic strung, double jointed, even the hips double jointed. They're very nice. They kind of got a little bit of a click so they stay in place. No, she's very cute. Well, you can just sit right there and be cute. She's also got holes in the bottom of her feet for a stand, but she doesn't come with a stand. Next up, we've got Teennar. These are all kind of like schoolgirl uniform ones. There's her card. It's a big card. Oh, this is a sticker. So you could dress the card up with the sticker. Oh, and she's got a lot of hands. These were all about the same price point. They all run around like $25. These in particular I got off KikaGoods. You can find them on a lot of different websites, including Amazon, honestly. No! So we've got a little shirt with the vest and the sailor collar. Got the skirt. And this? Oh, it's supposed to be a bag. Well, the cat thinks he needs to be involved in this video. So her body style is a bit different. Her head is like really floppy, but she's got a 2-part torso, again with the double jointed knees, and when her legs are straight, the beam is invisible. Her hip joint's not double jointed though. Her hair, it reminds me of like Cardcaptor Sakura. I just don't like the open mouth expression very much. Let's do this one. Here are our possibilities. Let's which I don't know what to do with, a bag, a little dress, and some socks. Oh, it's a ribbon for the hat. It's a ribbon for like the hat. That's cute. Oh, and it's like the one on the front of the box even. The fabric on this dress is nice. Oh, and her bag's got an actual snap. Almost got it. I hope this is how it's supposed to go because that was not easy. There's our little witch. Here's what's in this series. I like this one because they're like little demon boys. Oh, we got a little skateboard. Look at that. He's mechanically jointed and he's not ball jointed. His outfit's really simple. I love him. I love him so much. Skateboard and attitude. And last but not least, Liroro. He's ruining it. She's got cute inset eyes, got little stars. I really like the hair on this one. It's very cute. She might be my third favorite, all things considered, because I like all of these quite a lot. So cute. I do really like her. Conclusions. My cat is in the way. That's my conclusion. Conclusion. I like all of these a lot. I think Bonnie's always my favorite. They have really gorgeous eyes. Their facial expressions are so cute. And they have a really big variety of like different aesthetic. I really love him so much. I love him. Yeah, but my recommendation, Bonnie. Always. She's probably my number 2 recommendation because she's very cute. This Little Witch series is nice. They've got like all carved looking hair and I love their faces. Their little triangle noses. Now I've got a ton of garbage to clean up from unboxing all of these. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.